Movement joints are necessary in all tile installations. If you don't give your system a place to move, who knows what could happen.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Jesus. The installer in those two clips did not give their tile system any room to move. There were no movement joints. Now, is that failure what we see often? No. But hollow tile, cracked grout joints, cracked tile, that's what normally happens when a building moves and there's no relief. With this installation, we are using our silicone sealant at the change in plane, which is the end corner here, and against all of the dissimilar materials. The areas of use are always noted in the TCNA manual EJ 171. Installing the sealant is not difficult. It is just a matter of having constant pressure on your caulk gun and pulling or pushing the tube of material so that there are no gaps. While installing the sealant may not be that difficult, cleaning up could be a challenge. If you use silicone like I did here, you may want to have a bottle of soap and water handy, and as soon as you're done caulking, liberally spray the joints with the mixture, and then you can use a caulk tool or your finger to dress the joints so that they look nice, even, and perfect. If you use an acrylic sealant, sponge and clean water will work. I hope that you found that information helpful and you've noticed how easy it could be to install a sealant in your tile system to protect you against any movement. But I understand if you're still nervous, feel free to give us a call or reach out to a local tile contractor that'll be glad to take on your project.